Want to put makeup on or anything?
I am wearing makeup.
Oh, I mean a nicer shirt or anything?
Oh, this is me. Do I look sexy in my plaid?
Yeah, very sexy. Can you have light coming in? That's nice.
That's awesome. All
Unless you
right.
don't want this lighting.
No, I do. I need light. Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
You're all set. You're doing it.
I'm doing it. Alrighty.
Okay.
Well, you know, we'll figure out what to cut out.
All right. Have fun.
Okay, bye. Hi, everybody. It is Friday. I was going to say the date, but truthfully, I can't even remember the date. Isn't that nuts? And I've been signing stuff all week. But anyway, it is Friday, Memorial Day weekend. And my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have the coveted Sew Sampler box. I have to admit, I did slice it open and I checked it out. So if you're not interested in seeing what's in the May 2020 Sew Sampler box, then you might want to leave. But at the end of this video, I am going to announce my first giveaway. So you have to watch throughout the whole video to be entered into the giveaway, and I'll give you all the details. So, I hope you all had a good week. I did. I worked all week, and yes, I worked from home, but it was still work, and I am glad we are coming up on a 3-day weekend. So, let's stop all the chit-chat, and I will open the Sew Sampler. Have to tell you also, I have a new camera. My husband hooked me up with our little Panasonic video camera, so hopefully it's better than the iPhone. This month's box is very pretty. It's called Buds and Blooms. I can tell already I like it. I like the graphics. There is a code, which I'm happy to share because I think it's the same code in everybody's box. You do have to be a Sew Sampler member. Let me just take a look. Yeah, it's for Sew Sampler members only, and you're gonna get 25% off charm packs or 5-inch squares. So if you use the code CHARM25, you can get 25% off, and it expires July 20th. So you have some time to work on a purchase you have. Okay, first thing in the box, and this is something I need. So this is good. These are quilting gloves by Magic Touch. Magic Touch quilting gloves. It's a fat quarter shop product. One size fits most. I use quilting gloves. I can't remember who I purchased it from, but after a while they start to wear out, the little rubber plastic things. So this is a score. Thank you, Sew Sampler. I will definitely be using this when I do my quilting, which I do free motion quilting and straight line quilting, and I do it on my regular Kenmore sewing machine. How good am I? I would say I am average. I've quilted a twin quilt before, and that took forever, so I'll never go above a twin size again, but it's doable. It's doable on an average machine. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Here's the card. It tells you everything in the box and tells you the value. So those quilting gloves are $8.98. Very nice. Next thing I'm going to pull out, I like to do notions first. I love notions. This is another score. It's really nice pair of scissors, and mine are blue. They're Sweet Snips fabric scissors. They're sturdy. They're not a flimsy pair of scissors, and I like them. So again, this is a score. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. These scissors go for $12.98 retail. Let's see. Alrighty. We got thread. It's white. Looks like Aurifil. Yep, Aurifil 100% cotton for thread. It's 50 weight and it's 220 yards. You can always use thread, right? And I love it. Now let's look at the fabric. Oh, very nice. It's by Moda, Bloomington, Layla Boutique. Bloom where you are planted. So I love flowers. I don't have any girls. I have all boys. But I always like to make things because one day my sons will have children. They'll get married and have children. So this will be a quilt for a future grandchild. I'm probably going to embarrass the crap out of them if they hear me say this because nobody's having kids. They better not. But not yet. Except my oldest. He's old enough. He can definitely have children. But let's open it because these are really pretty. It's 20 squares. Comes in a roll. And this is really generous. I mean, if you were just to purchase this alone, it is $19.98, so 20 bucks. So the box itself is $25, and with shipping and handling, it comes close to $30. So this is $20. You're going to get your value right here in the material. And we can look at it really. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, it's definitely squares. All right, let me think of an organized way to do this. It's very pretty. It's pink on a light brown background, and here is your pink and red flowers on a teal background. I really like this. This to me is screams spring. It's kind of stuff I hate to cut, but I will cut. This is also very pretty. It's like a white flower on a light brown. Ooh, I like this one. This is like hippie-like. I like that. Boy. I don't have the patience to go through this, but I will. That's really pretty as well. And here's the same pattern, just another color. Back to the teal. Aw, this is so cute. I think I might have to buy another one because I can see myself making a quilt, but imagine making a bunch of little accessories like little zip bags or just sewing accessories. Isn't that pretty? This is just happy fabric. Another one. Oh, I really like this one too. Little geometric diamonds. We got a few of those. This is so pretty. A few of those in different colors. Then you got polka dots. I'm not a huge fan of polka dots, but I like it. And then in green. And then you got some brown shapes. Pink. Blue. Green. And then stripes. And the last piece is stripes. So, God, that's going to be a pain to put that together, but I will put it together because I like, I have a very small sewing room. It's actually my dining room, so I like to try to keep things neat and organized in here. So I will be putting that together. Don't ask me why I opened it. Oh, I know why. I opened it to show you guys. So here is the pattern. It's called Rose Garden, and the finished size is 55.5 by 55.5. So this is like perfect for a twin bed, a couch, and it looks like a pretty easy pattern. I mean, it's definitely work. I think you're going to have to buy a finishing kit, which you can buy from Fat Quarter Shop or, you know, anywhere you want to buy it from. Yeah, let's see. Well, this should tell me. So it's 20 layer cakes. You're definitely going to have to buy a finishing kit, but probably definitely for the backing and for the border. But I'll let you look at that. Yeah, you're going to have to order 3 5/8 yards backing if you want to get the Bloomington collection from Layla Boutique. And then a 5/8 yard binding and 2 1/8 yards background and inner borders, which would be like the white. So it's really pretty, and I might even, no, I don't have the fabric here. I'll have to buy some and think about who I will make this for, but this is definitely a good project. It'll probably take me a little while to make it though, but it's easy. It's definitely easy. And what I like about Fat Quarter Shop is the printing of their patterns. I mean, this is 11 pages from front to cover, and it's just, you know, it's not flimsy. It's like a little book, and the instructions are very clear. So I always find that really helpful. And that is May's box. And this is the greatest hits. If you follow like every month, you get the box. They started it last month. I didn't get last month's box, but this would be track 2 for the greatest hits, and you make this block. So you can make this block independently, or if you follow and make the whole quilt over the, you know, the course of 12 months, this would be perfect for you. I don't think I'm going to make the quilt. I have a lot of projects going on, and I don't know. I'm too impatient, so I'm going to make this one. This is really cool. Thank you. So how am I going to rate this box? I'm going to give this box, I think the value for, you know, everything that costs is there. You're definitely getting a lot of value. I mean, yeah, I do have thread, I have scissors, but who doesn't like a brand new pair? And the thread, you know, you're going to use it when you're going to quilt anyway, or so. So this box I would rate a 9 out of 10 because I love the fabric and I really love the pattern and I love all the notions. So 9 out of 10. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. Now time for the giveaway. If you've lasted with this video this long, I appreciate it. But I am giving away 2 things I got in my last little box of figs, which was actually my first video. I'm going to give away these little snips. I had a little trouble opening them, but maybe someone else could use them. They're really cute. They're great for traveling, and they're rose gold. And I got a lot of compliments on this bag, the Catalina Fabric Company bag, and I'm going to give it away with the snips. And some surprise fabric, which I haven't figured out yet, but I am going to throw in some surprise fabric into the giveaway. So if you'd like to enter, there's the giveaways open international, United States, overseas, wherever you want to enter from. Feel free to comment. First you have to like the video, subscribe to my channel. I mean, just those 2 actions alone would mean so much to me. I'm a very new channel. And then put in the comments where you're from. That's it. That's all you have to do to enter the giveaway, where you're from and anything else you want to say. But the only requirement to enter is like, subscribe, tell me where you're from. So I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek of this Sew Sampler box. It is a favorite among sewers. I enjoy it. I've been sporadic with it. I get it sometimes. I recently re-signed up, so this is like my 3rd box I got. I did not get last month. I put a hold for 1 month because of just things. And I really do love this box, and I think you will too. It's only 30 bucks if you live in the United States. Shipping might be more if you live internationally, but the base price is, what, $24.95, I believe? So you all have a good Memorial Day weekend.